tameNMR is a suite of tools for analysis of NMR metabolomics data. When using Tame for the first time, it is worth registering an account by going to the top menu, selecting User, and Register from the drop-down list. Here you'll be prompted for an email address and password in which you can lock your data that you have previously analysed and access it at a later date. You can also provide a public name, and this facilitates sharing of workflows and data with collaborators. Once you've registered for an account, you can go back to the user on the top menu and click Login. Once logged in, you will see the previous analysis that you have performed in the right-hand browser window. You can have multiple histories, which may be saved at any time, and you can access different ones depending on the task you wish to review. In this manner, you can revisit previous data sets and stratify your analysis. tameNMR was funded by the BBSRC to the University of Liverpool and is a collaboration between the NMR Metabolomics Facility and the Computational Biology Facility. Please contact us via Twitter or access other tutorials in this series.